This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox app on your PC with the account you use to play. Once signed in, make sure Xbox Game Bar and Xbox networking services are enabled so matchmaking and invites work. Next, launch the Xbox app and confirm the game you want to LFG is installed and set to the PC platform. Once done, open the social or looking for group area in the app to begin creating your listing immediately. This avoids delays when players respond. Now build the actual LFG post. Pick the exact game and activity so responders know what to expect. Then specify platform as PC, required player count, skill level, and whether voice chat is required. Make a concise title and a short description that lists objectives, start time, and any equipment or rank requirements. Once filled, set privacy and invite options. Choose open if you want quick fills or invite only for tight groups. Save the post to publish it immediately. Publish your LFG and monitor incoming requests in the app. Accept players and send invites through the Xbox overlay or client. Once your team assembles, launch the game and use the designated voice chat. Make sure everyone selects the same method. If problems occur, edit or repost the listing with clearer instructions. A common troubleshooting tip: if players can't join, check NAT type, Xbox privacy and multiplayer permissions, Windows firewall, and Xbox networking diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.